Hey, what is up guys? Natasha here, and today let's talk about a phone that had a major upgrade from its predecessor. I'm talking about the Honor 20 Lite. So as opposed to its predecessor, the Honor 20 Lite offers a lot for a mid-range smartphone, 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the best part, a triple rear camera setup with ultra wide lens. Hey guys, I'm Natasha and welcome to TechNave First Impressions and Unboxings. Alright guys, let's talk about things that I like and dislike about this phone. Let's start off with things that I like. Number one is the gradient design on the back of this phone. So, you know, the Honor 10 Lite had a beautiful sky blue gradient, and definitely that was one of the selling points for me. And this time round, they did a more bold kind of gradient. So this one goes from purple to a navy kind of blue, and it is very, very gorgeous. You can actually see the shine in this one as well. Definitely one of my favorite colors. Other color, which I unfortunately don't have with me right now, is the red color, and that one, it goes from a purple to a red gradient. That's definitely my favorite one, and is a very bold and bright color. I'm sure like if you're across the road, other people can definitely see that you're using an Honor 20 Lite. Number two, the face and fingerprint unlock on this thing. My god, it's pretty accurate and pretty fast. I just immediately have to just tap and no unlock. I just raise this phone to my face and immediately it's gonna unlock. It's pretty decent. Number three, despite it being a mid-range phone, so most people kind of struggle about buying those kind of phones because it kind of struggles with most things when I do every day, such as gaming and even photography. But this phone doesn't struggle with that. You can do most things with it. It takes decent photographs, and you can even game on this. We tried out Asphalt 9 on this, and it didn't even lag. It didn't even overheat. This is pretty decent. Lastly, the one thing that I really love most about this phone is definitely the wide angle camera. So the last one, the Honor 10 Lite, did not have the wide angle camera, and this one did, and we thought it was gonna be like, it's gonna be like a normal wide angle camera. It isn't. Not until we tried it, we saw it. It did some pretty decent photos. You can check it out over here, and let me just tell you, the quality of this phone for its price is really good, especially if you're getting into photography. So for the price of this phone, it's hard to find things I dislike with it. We tried hard to find things I really didn't like with it. It's just minor things that are usually common on most phones, but there is one thing that stood out in particular, and to me it is actually the sound. Unfortunately, the sound quality is not that great. It kind of sounds a little echoey, kind of like a radio, and I was really expecting a more rich and bassy sound, but as I said, for the price and what this phone can do, I ain't gonna complain. Alright guys, that's all that we like and didn't like about the Honor 20 Lite. That's our first impressions of hands-on of this phone, so make sure you share this video and tag a friend who you think deserves to have this phone in their life. I'm Natasha, signing out.